saying he found himself in a difficult position, I want to use the expression to be in a pickle, which is the same thing. To be in a difficult situation, to be in a pickle, means just to have problems, to be in a bad situation. But by accident, by surprise. So let's practice using this. Let's practice talking about finding yourself in a difficult position. Here's a situation. Mary is upset. Let's ask a why question with that sentence. Why? Why is she? Why is she? Why is she upset? Why is she upset? Why is she upset? And here's the reason. She is accidentally in a bad situation. She is in a surprise, bad situation. And we can say that. You can say she finds herself in a bad situation. But you can also say she finds herself in a pickle. She finds herself in a pickle. She's upset because she finds herself in a pickle. Finds herself in a pickle. She's upset because she finds herself in a pickle. That means she is in a surprise bad situation. Let's use the past of find. So instead of she finds herself in a pickle, how would you say that in the past? She found herself in a pickle. She found herself. She found herself. She found herself in a. She found herself in a. She found herself in a pickle. So she's upset. She's upset because she found herself in a pickle. Okay, that sounds better. Now let's try another example. Let's say John was frustrated. John was frustrated. And let's make a why question. Why was John frustrated? Why was he frustrated? And the reason is he was in an unexpected bad situation. He was in an unexpected bad situation. How can you say that using pickle? Find in a pickle. He was frustrated because he was in an unexpected bad situation. Let's use find himself in a pickle. He found himself in a. He found himself in a. He found himself in a pickle. He found himself in a pickle. He was frustrated because he found himself in a pickle. Okay, now in the story it says that Resto found himself in a difficult position, or you could say he found himself in a pickle. He didn't want to be in this position. He wasn't planning on being in that position, but he was accidentally or in surprise in a bad situation. Resto is in a pickle. Okay,